dude, he got you good. How's she feel?
She feels good. Takes a minute to get back into the flow of things. But
And you look all right.
yeah, no, I feel pretty good.
Almost like chocolate cake out here for being Arizona.
Yeah, no,
pretty good.
The 500's riding good. It likes the carb likes this elevation where we're at right now. It seems like we're a little bit south of Tucson right now, so it's actually pretty cool, which is hard to say right now when it was 107 degrees just the other day. So, but the 500 feels good. It's been a minute since I rode a 500. It was at Daytona a couple years ago. Rode the 500, but I've never rode a modern chassis 500. So I mean, it kind of feels how it looks, you know.
So
the modern.
So the biggest question for you is the vibration. Everyone's always asking vibration and all that stuff.
Yeah, well, no, it feels like I've been weed eating for about 6 hours, but other than that, no, it's good. No, I mean, the two strokes are always gonna have the vibration, you know. Like the last 500 I rode had the pretty good vibration, but it's not as bad as I thought with the modern chassis. So obviously these modern chassis are pretty good. Anyways, they're not as thick and rigid as the stuff in the early 2000s was. So it's a good combo. But no, outside of that, it's pretty good.
It's been a while.
Yeah, we haven't turned my cardio on in a while either.
No.
And believe it or not, I'm working out still. And
Nothing is a replacement for dirt bikes.
That's
There
true.
just isn't.
Yeah.